Welcome to day 5. Today we're talking about two of the biggest filters in trading: when to trade and what to trade, because even the perfect setup can fail if you take it at the wrong time. So let's stack the odds in your favor. Now, the Forex market runs 24 hours a day, but not all trading hours are created equal. We split the day into 4 main sessions. We have Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. Now, the most movement and the best trade opportunities happen at the London and New York sessions overlap. So they do overlap by a few hours, and you get the biggest price movements there. Now, what's the best time to trade? Well, each session has its own vibe. London is fast and you get very early moves. New York is a heavy hitter. You get a lot of volume and usually gets a good reversal. And then Tokyo is quiet unless you're trading Japanese yen or any of the Asian currencies. So if you want clean, high probability setups, you want to stick to London and New York. Now, knowing what not to trade can be just as important as knowing what to trade. So you want to avoid trading at the very start or end of the session, of the day, of the week, or of the month. These are prime times for messy price action, spread spikes, and fake outs. You always want to let the market open, settle, and show the direction before you make a move. Now, what pairs do you want to trade? So once you know when to trade, you need to decide what to trade. So start with major pairs that are active during London and New York. For example, Euro USD, USD Swiss franc, or the USD Canadian. And skip JPY as a beginner. Don't overload yourself. Watching 2 to 3 pairs is plenty, and JPY can take you on a run. So stick to something US dollars and only watch 1 or 2. Let's get a beginner's look at triangulation. This is a way to confirm your trades and help if there's any second guessing. So triangulation is when you watch 3 related pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and Euro GBP. When one leads, the others often follow. And that can give you extra confirmation before entering or exiting your trade. So pick your pairs wisely, especially when you're first starting out. Stick to one of these 3 groups as they really tend to follow the rules and are great correlations with each other. You've got the euro, the British pound, and the dollar. Then you have the dollar and the euro over Canadian. And then you have the Aussie dollar, the US dollar, and the New Zealand dollar. Now focus on one group until you can recognize its rhythms and patterns. So today, we are putting on your first indicator on the chart, and we're going to be putting together one more piece of the puzzle by looking also at triangulation. So, open trading view, and we'll see you in the charts.